Slip stitch is a hand sewing technique for finishing the folded edges. Start by folding your fabric twice. Then make a knot on your thread and hide the starting knot inside the fold. Make a tiny stitch that takes only 1 or 2 threads from the main fabric. Pull your thread through and then make a long stitch inside the fold of the fabric. Now repeat a small stitch in the main fabric and a long stitch inside the fold. Repeat the stitching sequence to secure the entire edge. When you use the thread of the same color as fabric, the stitch is almost invisible. When the entire edge is finished, secure your thread and hide the end inside the fold. Slip stitch is durable and holds the edge very well and is almost invisible from both sides.